Manus AI agent is an advanced artificial intelligence system developed by a Chinese startup called Monica, unveiled in early March 2025. It is promoted as the world's first fully autonomous AI agent, designed to go beyond traditional AI assistance by not only understanding and generating information, but also independently executing complex real-world tasks. The name Manus, derived from the Latin word for hand, reflects its purpose of bridging the gap between human thoughts and actionable outcomes. Unlike conventional AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Grok, which primarily respond to prompts with suggestions or answers, Manus operates autonomously, planning and completing tasks without requiring constant human oversight. It uses a multi-agent architecture, functioning like an executive that delegates tasks to specialized sub-agents, enabling it to handle multi-step workflows efficiently. Additionally, it operates asynchronously in the cloud, meaning it can continue working on tasks in the background and deliver results when ready, even if the user disconnects. Key capabilities. Manus is designed to tackle a wide range of practical tasks across various domains. Examples from its developers and early demonstrations include travel planning, creating personalized itineraries and custom travel handbooks, such as for a trip to Japan. Stock analysis, performing in-depth research, e.g., on Tesla's stock, and generating visualized dashboards with insights. Educational support, developing interactive materials like video presentations for teachers explaining concepts such as the momentum theorem. Business applications, assisting with B2B supplier sourcing, comparing insurance policies, screening resumes, or building websites from scratch. Data processing, analyzing uploaded data, e.g. Amazon store sales, to provide actionable insights and strategies. It achieves these functions through a combination of advanced natural language processing, task planning, memory, and tool usage, e.g. web browsing, coding, data analysis, allowing it to break down complex tasks and execute them step by step. Performance claims. Manus has garnered attention for reportedly achieving state-of-the-art, SOTA, performance on the GAIA benchmark, a test evaluating general AI assistance on real-world problem-solving, reasoning, tool usage, and automation. It is claimed to outperform models like OpenAI's deep research across all 3 difficulty levels, though exact scores are not widely publicized. This suggests superior accuracy and capability in handling multifaceted tasks compared to some existing AI systems. Availability and reception. Currently, Manus is available only as an invitation-only web preview via its official website, manus.im. Its limited release, combined with high demand, has sparked significant buzz in the AI community, with some calling it China's second DeepSeek moment, referencing another notable Chinese AI breakthrough in 2025. However, its exclusivity has also led to skepticism, with critics questioning whether its capabilities are overhyped due to limited public testing and server capacity constraints reported shortly after launch. Implications. Manus represents a shift toward fully autonomous AI agents, raising both excitement and concerns. It could revolutionize productivity by automating tasks traditionally requiring human effort, potentially impacting fields like business automation, education, and research. However, it also prompts ethical and practical questions about job displacement and accountability for autonomous decisions.